In the newly introduced budget 2020-21, there is an amendment brought. People are saying turnover tax has been brought. Is it really a turnover of tax? It is a method of tax collected at source. Yes, it is on the base of turnover. It is not on every sales done. Sorry. What is the purpose of introduction of tax of 0.1% on sales made by a dealer? It is not it is for all the dealers? No. The law is very simple. If you are making a sale, of 50 lakhs or more than 50 lakhs to any other person, that means one person is selling to another person more than 50 lakhs, that is monthly 4 lakhs sales to a single person, one person to another. On that person, when you are making sale, collect 0.1% as tax of the sale done and remit to the government as an income tax on behalf of the buyer. What is the purpose? Today everyone wants corruption-free India, no black money, every income is to be disclosed, every GST is to be paid. Then how can I have a control? Think of a person buying certain goods from a company for 50 lakhs or more, selling it everything on sale in retail manner, not paying income tax, not paying GST. How can I control him? I need a system to control. I should have a measure to control. Country like India, I cannot send officers for every door what they are doing from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So, what is the government is saying? It is not for small business people. A person from a single individual buying 50 lakh or more means certainly is reasonably a big person. When we buy the goods, the government say the seller will collect 0.1% as tax collected at source. They will call it as TCS. Okay. Why that 0.1%? This is where you have to understand the logic. See, any person doing business, at least he will have 1% profit margin. Suppose I am buying and selling goods. When I buy and sell the goods, if you don't have profit margin of 1%, I will not do that business. So government estimated there is a possibility of 1% profit. On that 1% profit, 10% is the Indian minimum rate of tax. That is 0.1%. So on the 0.1% of the turnover, 0.1% of the sale done. Highly logically, meticulously, microscopically they worked and determined the rate, 0.1%. So what is the objective? Curtail the evasion of GST, curtail the evasion of income tax. So I can trace the people. So big company, big corporate, big business people, anybody is buying in big wholesale and selling in the market in a retail manner or directly to the consumer, but not paying GST or not paying income tax, those people can be identified only for that purpose. Ultimately, you have to think, whatever the 0.1% tax collected is not the new tax. When the buyer, let him prepare his income tax return, let him declare his income and let him calculate the tax. After calculating the tax, whatever the tax collected on his purchase will be allowed as credit. Balance income tax only he is going to remit. So it is not an extra tax on the sale. So it is a welcome measure on the people who try to evade GST or who is trying to evade income tax. On these people, government want a watch and control. For that only this 0.1% tax on turnover is brought in. So it is a good move for controlling or removing the black money from the economic system.